always change your gaskets no matter what, or your motor will blow the f*** up.
Hi, I'm Melody, and this is my 23 Street Glide. We just had the Sawicki pipe installed, had a custom paint done last year, so now it is complete, almost. We're getting ready to do a cross-country trip, so I'm excited to see where things are gonna go. I think it definitely cleans out, makes it finish well. We are putting on new wheels, doing new blowers and whatnot, so we are chroming it out more and more. But yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a weekend, followed by a hell of a summer. Yeah. I'm excited.